Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some Porterhouse steaks and some New York strips along with some jumbo shrimp and some medium shrimp mixed in with some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. So these Porterhouse steaks, we're just using kosher salt and some black pepper. A little overdone. So the strip side, man, I've been letting it rest way too long. Still juicy and tender. Ooh, rocking. You said Gator Shake shrimp. Yeah. Some of that. Get out. damn. That's the way to go, folks. Oh, hell yeah. So I got some mail here. Holy, thank you, everybody. And if you guys want, email me at beerchampbarbecue@gmail.com and get yourself some stickers. I will send them out to you. So, speaking of stickers, that is what I've got here from... Oh, yeah, you know it. You know it. Green Bastard. Oh, hell yeah. Sweet. That's badass. Green Bastard rub going on the board in just a minute. And I got another one from Dave over at The Bomb Smokes. Yeah, thank you for the 2. So if I come up with another idea, I got an extra. I like that you guys are all sending 2. That's what I've been doing as well. And from Greg over at the Woodshed, sent me some badass hardware for this Weber 26 to raise that grill grate up, to get a little more airflow underneath with that grill, that grate, the basket there. So you get the grate up there, the basket, you got the deflector. You might be able to put a pan underneath there if you want to put some water for moisture. Look at this. Oh, hell yeah. All the hardware ready to rock. I'm going to be installing that very soon and trying that out. Thank you, brother. You guys all rock. Thank you so much. Hit the thumbs up. Like I always say, comment down below. I want to hear your story. And email me at beerchampbarbecue@gmail.com. I'll send you some stickers. Now it's time to add some stickers to the board. I'll go down low with Green Bastard. Oh yeah. I worked up a thirst on that one. Hell yeah. Woo! And Dave over at the Bomb Smokes. Guys, if you haven't seen any of these channels that are going up on this board, check them out. These guys are all cool. The barbecue community rocks. Most of us communicate with one another. Awesome. Awesome. Best community ever. And the Bomb Smokes. We're gonna stay low. Yeah, check it out. So anybody that wants their sticker up on my wall, send them to me. You can contact me at beerchampbarbecue@gmail.com. Your sticker will be going up on the wall. And I got extras. I'll be building this whole shebang out. Yeah. Got plenty of room. Plenty of room. And I should be getting a new flag very soon with these new shirts. If you guys want a new Beer Champ Barbecue shirt, let me know. Link is in the description as well. Same thing with stickers. If you don't want to get one for free, shirts I can't give for free. I'm sorry. I've got 4 kids, folks. I just can't hand out t-shirts. But I can hand out stickers. And, man, we'll tell your father Happy Father's Day. Before you know it, you might be gone. Mine was gone when I was a very young person. And still regret not saying a lot of things that I wish that I did. So, celebrate your father. Happy Father's Day, folks. So join the Beer Champ Nation. Hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is.